Hello everybody, welcome back to Smoke Red Barbecue's YouTube channel. Today I just want to come out to say thank you. Thank you to this big green egg back there that's been with us for quite some time. Thank you to my sous chef who's right by my side. I learned just as much as she does when I'm able to cook with her and share my passion and love for barbecue. I want to say thank you to the unseen but ever-present my wife, who has been the constant supporter over the many years that we have had this channel. She's just been so supportive of what we do together, my daughter and I, but also just the channel and the continual growth that we have with that. And lastly, thank you to the 10,000 subscribers that we now have at Smoked Bread Barbecue's YouTube channel. I had no idea this channel would be so successful and so I have so much gratitude and so thankful and so blessed to have this channel reach such a high number. I cannot wait for what this channel will become in the future, the future growth that we have planned for it, that we also have in store for it. So stick with me as we continue to grow, as we continue to expand, and always have fun and share my love and my passion with you and also with my sous chef. So nothing else to do here today but to say thank you, and as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers.